Owning a sports car can be an expensive endeavor. You begin with an upfront cost and include maintenance, gas, insurance, and inevitable wear and tear expenses. If you look to the used car market, you can save a bundle on the initial cost of buying a sports car. Therefore, the best sports cars available become more obtainable when you venture into the used car market. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best used sports cars under $30,000. But before we begin with the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I come back with another amazing video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Mazda MX-5 Miata, 2019 to 2020. The Mazda Miata falls under cars with seemingly unimpressive specs, but they are fast and sporty. In the Mazda Miata's case, the most recent generation is now available below the $30,000 mark even when well equipped. For the 2019 model year, the MX-5 Miata received a power boost, now with up to 181 horsepower from 155. On the used market, buyers should get a soft top with the extra power for under $30,000. Consumers considering the Miata RF with the retractable hardtop will likely have to look at models before the additional power was made available to meet the $30,000 price limit. However, like some of the other cars mentioned here, the Miata is a small and light two-seater, making even 155 horsepower more than enough to zip around town. The Miata is also one of the most affordable entry points to rear-wheel drive roadster ownership. Miata buyers should expect a very reliable vehicle, and parts are inexpensive and widely available. Ford Mustang GT, 2015 to 2017. Another modern retro muscle car, the Mustang GT, continuously ranks in the list of affordable sports cars, even when new. Finding 2015 to 2017 models under $30,000 is relatively easy, and many still have relatively low mileage. If you opt for the Mustang GT, you will be excited for the 5-liter V8 and 435 horsepower equipped in each GT. However, go the turbocharged route, and the Mustang's 2.3-liter EcoBoost version still delivers over 300 horsepower. You should still be able to snag one of these for a few $1,000s less than the V8 counterpart. If you search hard enough, you might even be able to find a reasonably recent model with the EcoBoost High Performance package, with 330 horsepower under the $30,000 manufacturer's suggested retail price budget. That's a big step up from previous generations of the Mustang, even those with a V8 engine. On the other hand, if you want even more power and exclusivity, then you might consider looking for the 2012 Mustang Shelby GT500, which offers a 500 horsepower engine. The 2012 GT500 has begun to sink below the $30,000 price for higher mileage examples. In addition, the Mustang GT trim receives a good rating for reliability, meaning you do not have to trade power for dependability. Chevrolet Camaro 2013 to 2015. The Camaro was resurrected for its 5th generation in 2009. The 2013 model year was good with a 426 horsepower engine in the SS trim level. Suppose you want even more significant boost in power. In that case, you can opt for the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 monster of an engine found in the ZL1, which generated 580 horsepower. Finding 2013 and 2014 models of the Camaro for under $30,000 appears to be relatively easy, as the average national price paid for a 2013 SS Coupe is right around $22,500. If you want a convertible model, you can expect to pay roughly $1,500 more. The Camaro is also a somewhat practical option, with a rear small seat capable of transporting children or luggage. It will not replace your need for a crossover, but it may be an excellent second car for a small family. Nissan 370Z Nismo, 2013 to 2015. Nissan is currently not offering a 370Z for the 2022 model year, and has announced replacing the 370Z moniker by 2023 by losing the numerical assignment. The 2023 Nissan Z will be powered by a 400 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or optional 9-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. with the announcement of the next-generation Z cars from Nissan hitting the streets in spring of 2022. Used 370Zs from the 2017 model year and lower are readily available for consumers for under $30,000. Consumers that desire the best of what Nissan offers in the Z-Series cars can opt for a used 370Z Nismo. The Nismo Edition 370Z from the 2015 model year offered a 350 horsepower V6 engine and a race-inspired suspension. A Nissan 370Z can be found on the open market for under $30,000. Subaru BRZ 2013 to 2018. The Subaru BRZ and its twin, the Toyota 86, and Scion FRS, are the ultimate contenders in the small sports car category. The lightweight, rear-wheel drive, 200 horsepower BRZ delivers point-and-shoot driving dynamics. In addition, the BRZ was designed with happy but predictable handling, making it easy to maintain a slight drift upon exiting a corner. The BRZ also offers some practicality with a back seat that can be folded down to hold more oversized items. The BRZ also provides decent fuel economy, achieving 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. For under $30,000, consumers can find a well-equipped 2017 or 2018 BRZ with relatively low mileage. With the all-new 2022 BRZ hitting the streets soon, the used market offers excellent value versus buying new. BMW Z4 2014 to 2016. The BMW Z4 has been a classic sports car since it was introduced in 2003. The Z4 received a redesign in 2014, offering a slight facelift but retained its convertible coupe core. The Z4 is equipped with a potent 335 horsepower turbocharged 6-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed manual gearbox. The Z4 is not as thrilling or finely tuned as a Porsche Boxster. Still, the BMW does offer a smoother ride quality and better overall road manners. BMW provides luxury both through the interior quality and ride quality. The Z4 is as much of a thrill on the weekends as it is on the daily drive to work. A BMW Z4 can be found on the local market for under $30,000. Dodge Challenger 2015 to 2018. The infamous Dodge Challenger, between the model years of 2018 and 2020, offered muscular retro styling and a range of powerful V8 engine lineup options. Power output in these engines range from 350 horsepower to 707 horsepower. The Challenger is also reasonably competent in reliability, having won the J.D. Power Initial Quality Study Award. A $30,000 budget can cover a moderately wide variety of Challenger models. However, you may have to look at the 2018 model range to squeak in under the $30,000 mark. Look at vehicles with higher mileage, and you may even be able to snag a special edition or high-performance SRT model. Hyundai Veloster N 2019 to 2020. The Hyundai Veloster N is currently the best hot hatch on the market. Used models are now available at well under the $30,000 mark. Though it lacks the European rival's cabin refinement, the Veloster N offers a more exciting driving experience than the heralded Volkswagen Golf GTI. The Veloster N blends all of the hatchback's practicality with a sports car's thrills and exhaust notes. When it debuted, reviewers universally raved about the Veloster N, with multiple awards from various automotive news outlets. Consumers looking for fun, practicality, and affordability should consider this 3-door hatchback. For under $30,000, consumers should search for a 2019 or 2020 year model with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Chevrolet Corvette 2005 to 2011. Now that the C7 Chevy Corvette is several years old, and the next generation mid-engine C8 has just been released, the prices on used C6s have dropped drastically. The Corvette C6 produced from 2005 to 2011 is equipped with a minimum of 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, meaning there are no terrible engine configuration choices. As a result, you can find various trims and models of the C6 generation in just under $30,000 in most areas around the United States. Consumers will be searching for LT3 and LT1 models, as the Z51 models are still selling for over $40,000 on the used market. With the new C8 trickling out of factories and onto city streets, There's no doubt that the C6 Corvettes will continue to go down in price.